In this video, we are taking you on a journey to one of Germany's most iconic destinations, Zugspitze. Zugspitze is the highest mountain peak in Germany with an elevation of 2,962 meters above sea level. Our journey began in Garmisch-Partenkirchen, a charming Bavarian town nestled in the German Alps. From Garmisch-Partenkirchen, we boarded the Cogwheel railway Zugspitzbahn. Zugspitzbahn runs from Garmisch-Partenkirchen to Zugspitzplatt, a plateau approximately 300 meters below Zugspitze. The Zugspitzbahn is not only a means of transportation but also an experience in itself. As we boarded the train, we were greeted by stunning panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and lush green valleys. The journey from Garmisch-Partenkirchen to the Zugspitzplatt took about 50 minutes, and as the train climbed the mountain, we got some breathtaking views of the lake Eibsee. In the last stretch of the journey, the train went through a 4.5 kilometers long tunnel through the heart of the mountain. The Zugspitzbahn terminates at the Zugspitzplatt, located just below the summit of the Zugspitze. This place has some stunning panoramic views of the surrounding mountain peaks, deep valleys, and the expansive glacier. From Zugspitzplatt, we took a short 5-minute cable car ride to reach the summit. The summit of Zugspitze stands at an impressive elevation of 2,962 meters above sea level. From up here, we can see amazing vistas of the German, Austrian and Swiss Alps. The Austria-Germany border runs over the summit, and Zugspitze can also be reached from the Austrian side by a direct cable car. Since 1851, there has been a summit cross at the top of the Zugspitze. It has been renovated several times. Here's an interesting fact. Since this cross is visible from miles away, American soldiers used the cross as target practice at the end of the Second World War. To avoid crowds, we visited Zugspitze early in the morning and took the cable car back to Eibsee around noon. More about Eibsee in our next video.